Apple will be launched their new iPhone 15 next month, but they already released their new iOS 17. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install iOS 17 on your existing old iPhone. So this is Anis, welcome back to another video. If you're new in my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So I'm using iPhone 11 to download and install iOS 17. It support iPhone SE model. This is the oldest. So before you upgrade to iOS 17, make sure you have backup file. I already backup my file. Then go to Safari, enter beta.apple.com. Then here is Apple Beta Software Program. Select iOS 17. And here's the iOS 17 all the feature all the way to down. Here is the options for sign up, and as you can see here all the list of supported device, and join the Apple Beta program. So click the sign up today with your Apple ID. Just tap on and tap on sign up, and it will log in with your Apple ID. So as you can see, enroll your iOS device, tap on enroll, and as you can see, next step will be open beta update. Just tap on. As you can see, it directly goes to settings, and as you can see, it's already up beta update, but you need to select iOS 17 public beta, then go to back, and as you can see, it's iOS 17. Then its size is 5.6 GB, so you need to down high-speed Wi-Fi to download this large file, and then tap on download and install, and enter your passcode. Then it will be downloading, and terms and conditions, then agree again. It takes few moments to start downloading. So update requesting, and it's saying about 18 minutes remaining, so I have to wait few minutes to download. So it's preparing to update, so it's take more time. So before you start updating, make sure you have full charge on your phone, then you can start download and installing iOS 17 update. After restarting several times, and it's saying hello, so swipe up to unlock and give my passcode. Then software update complete. Your phone has been updated to iOS 17. Yes, that's great. Then continue. For updating, it take almost 10 to 15% charge. So then continue. I'm waiting. I'm very excited for iOS 17 new look. It taking time. Yes, Siri, your personal assistant now even easier to talk. Okay, continue, and welcome to iPhone. Swipe up and just go to general, then about, and as you can see, iOS version is 17, and check the software update again, and yes, iOS 17. Yes, it is new wallpaper, and yes, pretty much that's it. I will make another video what's the difference between iOS 16 to iOS 17. So till then, take care, bye bye.